Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and today on Dakshin Curry we are going to have a look at chutneys. Chutneys are such an integral part of our cuisine. Whether it's a breakfast dish, whether it's a snack or even thalis, you will always find a chutney. And because it's summer and mangoes are plenty, why shouldn't we use them in a chutney? So the first step for making this raw mango chutney is going to be blending the ingredients. So I have a chutney jar here. Now for this recipe I am using a particular kind of mango, and that is the kilimuk manga or the thotapuri aam. So now I'll add this mango. Along with that, a couple of chilies for spice. Now these are really spicy. Once the chilies goes in, couple of garlic cloves, little bit of mint. The flavor of mint goes really well with mango. Along with that, some coconut. So I'm not using too much of freshly grated coconut, just around 1/3 cup. Along with that, I'm going to use hing, which is dissolved in water. So I'll be adding a little bit of salt. And now we are going to blend this. So I think this can use a little bit of water. Let's blend again. So I'm going to now keep this aside, transfer it into a bowl, and let's quickly make a tempering for this chutney. I'm using sesame seed oil, a little bit of mustard seeds, and once it crackles we'll add some curry leaves, and along with that a little bit of hing powder. Not too much. Give it a quick stir, and now that the tempering is ready, all you need to do is pour it over your lovely chutney. And that's all there is to this chutney. I know we all love having thotapuri mango just like that, but do try this recipe for a change. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, do click on the like button, share the recipe, and of course subscribe to India Food Network.